Hello friends, welcome back to Trendy Styles with Gifty. Today's video I have different stunning Koroba hairstyles for you all. You wanna rock Koroba hairstyles? Do well to watch this video and choose your best choice that you think that will suit your personality. Here in this video I have more than 35 pictures of Koroba hairstyles that you can choose from. So guys, let's review this hairstyle together, and do not forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for more, and please drop a comment in the comment section. Thank you.